Chickweed is an annual winter weed that can be found growing in lawns throughout the US. This plant forms dense mats, choking your grass and stealing nutrients from your turf. In this video, we'll go over how to identify and treat chickweed so your lawn can stay green throughout the year. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about chickweed, click the icon in the top right of the screen or click the link in the description below. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Chickweed is a winter annual weed. Many homeowners notice patches growing in late winter or early spring. Chickweed in lawns typically grows in patches up to 2 inches in height. This weed grows ovular, pointed, opposite leaves, and the flowers are small with 5 white petals that appear split down the middle. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what your pests look like, check around your property to confirm their presence or find hotspots of activity. Chickweed grows well in areas with poor drainage. Look around your property and note areas that are shaded throughout the day or where the soil is compacted. After normal rainfall, note spots in the turf where puddles form. After identifying your weed and inspecting for activity on your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE and remember to keep all people and pets off the treated areas until dry. To kill any chickweed on your lawn, use a post-emergent herbicide that's labeled for chickweed control. Check out Eraser. Eraser is a non-selective weed killer made with glyphosate. Glyphosate is a very powerful ingredient, however, it is non-selective, meaning the product will affect and kill any plant it is applied to. Apply Eraser with a 1-gallon handheld pump sprayer. Mix 2.5 fluid ounces of product into 1 gallon of water. This will treat up to 300 square feet of treatment area. Once you've completed your solution, spray any chickweed on your lawn directly with low pressure. Use a fan spray setting to thoroughly coat the leaves and spray to the point of wet but not runoff. To prevent spray drift, you can block off surrounding areas with cardboard. When you're finished, allow treated areas to dry completely before allowing people or pets back in. You should start to see weeds dying within 4 to 6 weeks. Prevention is essential to keeping pests in check. Even after you've applied herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to make sure it can't happen. If chickweed is a problem that persists year after year, then consider laying down a pre-emergent herbicide with prodiamine. We recommend you use a product like Barricade. When applied properly, Barricade will form a chemical barrier that will stop weed seeds from sprouting. It will have no effect on weeds that are already established. To prevent chickweed, we recommend you make your application during fall before the soil temperatures cool to below 70 degrees. Barricade comes as a granular herbicide, so you'll need a broadcast push spreader to apply it. Depending on your turf type, you'll make an application at the labeled rate of 1.5 to 4 pounds of product per 1,000 square feet. Broadcast half your granules in parallel lines once across the area, then broadcast the other half at a perpendicular angle to cover the area in its entirety. Once the product is fully applied, water it in. The most effective control can be achieved with at least half an inch of water within 14 days of application. When applied properly, Barricade will prevent weeds from emerging on your lawn for the winter season. Chickweed is a persistent winter weed that can choke out your turf grass, but there are ways to control a weed invasion that's gone out of hand. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop chickweed from growing in your lawn, and we offer fast and free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos. And contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.